down to platform 1.
Good day, everyone. If you are traveling with children, please keep them inside at all times. Remember to hold their hand.
Once again, your final whistle and mobility areas, please make your way to the centre. This train is now departing on platform 2, so please stand clear.
And welcome to Anzac Station. In Victoria, public transport is free.
At Town Hall or State Library. Please take note, this will be our final service for the afternoon departing from Anzac Station. Once again, the final train service departing from Anzac Station. Your West Bush Train service, platform 1, please allow all passengers. Doors are now locked, please stand clear, train now departing. Good afternoon, passengers, and welcome to Anzac Station. Please take note, our last train service has